What's up, everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Want to learn programming but don't know which language to choose? Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 programming languages you should learn in 2025. Let's get into it. Number 5 is Go, or Golang. Created by Google, it's super fast and perfect for cloud infrastructure. Docker and Kubernetes are built with Go. It is best for backend systems, cloud computing, DevOps. The salary is around $120,000 to $150,000. Learn it if you want to work in cloud infrastructure or build high-performance APIs. At number 4, Java. Yes, it's been around since 1995, but it's still huge in the job market. It is best for enterprise applications, Android apps, banking systems. The salary is around $100,000 to $140,000. Learn it if you want job security and to work at big corporations. There are more Java jobs than almost any other language. Number 3 is JavaScript. If you want to do web development, this is non-negotiable. JavaScript runs every interactive website you visit. Plus, with Node.js, React Native, and Electron, you can build backends, mobile apps, and desktop apps too. It is best for web development, full-stack development. The salary is around $90,000 to $130,000. Learn it if you want to become a web developer. It has the most job postings of any language. At number 2, Python. This is the best language for beginners, hands down. Python is dominating AI and machine learning right now. It's also used for data science, web development with Django, automation, and even cybersecurity. Best for AI or ML, data science, automation beginners. Salary, $95,000 to $140,000. Data scientists earn way more. Learn it if you're interested in AI, data science, or you're a complete beginner. The code reads like English. And number 1 is TypeScript. It's JavaScript with superpowers, adding type safety to catch errors before your code runs. Every major company is switching to TypeScript. It's becoming the standard for professional web development. It is best for large web applications, professional development. The salary is around $100,000 to $150,000. Learn it if you want to be a professional web developer. Learn JavaScript first, then TypeScript. Yeah, I hope you liked the video. Follow for more.